Pressure Audio. Got a 4th order, 2-to-1 ratio, 3 Mega Brute 18s on 3 Surge 7Ks, 140 amp hours of lithium, Northwest lithium, and 3 alternators, 2 370 Autotechs, and a factory alternator for the truck.
Okay, so your upgrades coming. You said you're gonna put Sundown Salt.
2 Salt 8Ks on 4 of these subs and a 6th.
Okay, you're going 4 subs.
Yeah, I got the 4 sub.
So you changed the whole design.
Yeah, we're gonna do the whole design. I wanted to see the 4th order, and it plays really good. It just don't get as low as I want.
Right.
You know what I mean? 26 on up, I can tear it up.
Right.
Anything lower than 26, you kind of fall off. But I like music. You know what I mean? So she plays really good.
Okay. All right. We finna hear it. We finna hear it, guys.
Yeah.
We out here hot, sweaty, getting y'all demos.
Most definitely.
Most definitely, y'all better hit the like button and subscribe and share my videos.
Most definitely.
April 18th, I'm about to be American dream. I'm about
Yeah, man.
It's jamming, bruh.
Yeah, man. We gonna get up even better than what she is now, though.
What y'all think, guys? What y'all think? I like. It's peaking a little high too and low.
Yeah,
That's a good range.
It does. It's really good on music.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to go too low, but then I sacrificed my up high.
Right.
Go too high, then I sacrifice my lows. So I like the music.
Yeah.
You know?
I like music too.
26 to 42 hertz. That's why I love to play.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So,
in the comments.
Yeah. Big shout out, man.